Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2008 BMW 535xi wagon. The the X is all-wheel drive, and the 535 is a inline twin-turbo six-cylinder engine, 300 horsepower. The color is deep sea blue metallic with a beige leather interior. Very nice body condition. There's no dings or scratches. The paint condition is beautiful. Bumpers are in great shape. Wheels are very nice. Michelin tires. This has adaptive Xenon headlights with the halo lights as well. In the back, it has the optional shades. The seats will fold down flat. This has a comfort access. When the vehicle is locked, if you have the key on you, you just grab the handle, it unlocks, and you can get in the vehicle. Just push the start button. There it goes. Factory navigation. Yeah, factory Bluetooth, automatic climate control, 6-disc in-dash CD and DVD. Rain sensing wipers. There's a panorama moonroof, power shade, and then naturally the front panel will open up. So look at the mileage. Power tilt steering. Has backup sensors and parking sensors in the front as well. There we go. Nice engine idle, very smooth. Runs great, drives excellent. Back on the outside, it's a power tailgate. And it has a cargo cover and also a vertical partition for packages or dogs. To close it, you just push the button. Power seats in the front. They're both heated. Non-smoker. Really nice wood trim. Very rare low mileage BMW wagon with a lot of great features. And we did some recent service on it. Oil change, brake fluid change, and new valve cover. These are all maintenance items that you do not have to do. Thanks for your time, and give us a call, and we'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.